has checked the highlights, and this was a good start.
Look at the second phase. He just got those two wheels to the ground, and see you later. Sam McLaren looking over this. Oh, that was a mega start though. Look at the gap he's pulled.
So that was impressive. I mean, we saw Boylett actually way down the order and just elevate himself up into that top three. That was a drive and a half. But these two were going at it for the entire race. The 101, Caleb Patterson, loves to use that.
He loves it.
Pit lane exit.
He absolutely loves it. He's not leaving any track on the table. But these boys are racing nice, but there goes that car.
Yeah, the number 28, unfortunately bowing out early. That was Kent Quinn.
Yeah, watch him use it all. Have a look at it.
Just
if it's there, you got to use it, haven't you?
Trying to take the high line through.
This is where he gets the crisscross. Yeah, that was a good move. Set that up nice and early. Thought about it, and then there was move. Have a look. Sam McLaren, I don't reckon he saw this one coming. Put him up on the curve. And there goes that, there's that front bar. Bit of debris there.
57 for Coleman. Unfortunately parting ways with a bit of plastic work.
Oh, he's gone for a bit of an adventure just before the check-in. That's crazy.
That would have been McLaren through for 5th place.